Lifespan has been giving youth ages 16 to 19 an opportunity to explore careers in healthcare. Over the past 15 years, more than 900 teens from underserved communities have participated in our Summer Youth Employment Program. For many, our program has been a life-changing opportunity to learn how to be a good employee and to learn about the many opportunities available in the healthcare professions.
I'm proud to work for an organization that has this level of commitment to our communities. We are providing opportunities to young people who otherwise would not have access to jobs, who would not otherwise have the skills to perhaps sustain those jobs over time.
What they did to help us for college and future jobs, and you get paid for doing all that at the same time, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, really.
We give all the youth work assignments 4 days per week, and they spend the 5th day participating in workplace readiness workshops featuring guest speakers and group exercises. These sessions help build valuable professional and personal skills that stay with them throughout their lives.
I see the challenges that our youth go through in their neighborhoods, in their schools even, and so we created a space where they can feel confident, a sense of purpose. It is rooted in our care values that they carry over into their communities, and they embody them.
We've hired more than 120 program alumni in various clinical and administrative jobs. Serena, now a charge nurse at the Miriam Hospital, is one of many summer youth success stories.
I started the program in 2014 at 18 years old. My first 2 years I worked at Rhode Island Hospital as a unit assistant. This sparked my interest in wanting to become a nurse.
Hi, Paul.
Hi,
how are you? I'm Serena, I'll be your nurse tonight. How are you doing?
I have been a nurse for about a year now. I love my job. The best part of my job is just being there for people. I give patients snacks at 3 in the morning. I wipe tears at 3 in the morning.
Jobs save lives. Our youth are engaged and loyal to this organization because it believes in them and gives them opportunities that are going to change their lives forever.
If it wasn't for the program, I wouldn't be in the position that I am in today.